Welcome to Money Goals Mastery. Are you looking for ways to earn passive income right from your phone? Well, you're in the right place. In today's video, we're diving into the best passive income apps of 2024 that actually work. These apps let you make extra money without constant effort, and the best part, you can get started today. So, whether you're a student, a stay at home parent, or just want to make some extra cash, stay tuned till the end because we're covering the latest apps that can add to your income stream in 2024. Before we jump into the list, let's quickly go over what passive income is. Unlike a regular job where you're paid by the hour, passive income lets you earn without constant effort. You might need to invest a bit of time upfront, but after that, it can work in the background to bring in extra income now. Some apps do require you to check in occasionally, but overall, the idea is to keep the effort minimal. Let's start with investment apps. Investment based income is one of the most popular passive income methods because your money is working for you. Here are some of the best investment apps for 2024. Robinhood. Robinhood has been popular for years, especially for beginners. With zero commissions on trades and fractional shares, it's perfect for those just starting with investing. Plus, the app lets you earn dividends from stocks. Dividends are a form of passive income paid to shareholders. Acorns, next up, we have Acorns, an app known for its roundup feature. Acorns automatically invests spare change from your purchases. It's effortless and requires very little upfront knowledge. You simply link your card, and every time you spend, Acorns rounds up to the nearest dollar and invest that change. Fundrise. If you're interested in real estate but don't have the money to buy a property, Fundrise is an option worth exploring. Fundrise lets you invest in real estate with as little as $10. You earn through dividends and appreciation, which can lead to solid returns over time. Moving on to Cashback Rewards apps, these are a great way to earn passive income by getting a portion of your money back whenever shop online or in stores. Let's check out some of the best options for 2024. Rakuten. Rakuten gives cashback when you shop through their app. Or just sign up, find your favorite stores, and make your purchases. The app has partnerships with thousands of retailers, so there's plenty of opportunity to earn back some of what you spend. Ibotta. Next up is Ibotta. Known mainly for groceries, Ibotta is expanding into more categories. You simply snap a picture of your receipt and the app gives you cashback for eligible purchases. It's easy, quick, and perfect for regular grocery shoppers. Fetch Rewards is another great app. Unlike Ibotta, which is more specific, Fetch Rewards accepts nearly any receipt. Just upload your receipt, earn points, and redeem them for gift cards or cash. It's super simple. Next up are saving and budgeting apps with passive growth filters. These apps focus on saving your money and even growing it in some cases. Capital is a unique budgeting app that helps you save money passively. It rounds up your purchases and moves the spare change into a separate savings account. You can also set custom goals, and Capital will help you save automatically toward them. Chime is an online bank with a savings account that offers a competitive interest rate. The best part, you can set it up to save automatically each time you get paid. So without any effort, your money is growing on its own. The gig economy isn't just about active work, some gig apps let you earn passively. Here are some of the top apps in this category for 2024. Turo. If you have a car you don't use daily, Turo is a fantastic way to earn passive income. It's a peer-to-peer car sharing app where you can list your vehicle and earn money each time someone rents it. You can set your availability and pricing, so it's flexible to Neighbor. Next is Neighbor, an app that lets you rent out extra space. It could be your garage, basement, or even just an empty closet. With Neighbor, you can earn monthly income simply by offering storage space to others. Airbnb, you've probably heard of Airbnb. If you have a spare room or property, renting it out on Airbnb can be a significant source of passive income. People book through the app and you earn money for each stay. Plus, Airbnb handles most of the customer service. If you don't mind sharing anonymous data, there are apps that pay for it. These apps work in the background to gather your data and pay you passively. Nielsen, the company famous for TV ratings, has a mobile app that collect data on internet usage and compensate users for it. Just download the app, let it run, and earn rewards every month. Mobile Performance Meter. This app is available for Android users and runs quietly in the background, collecting data on app usage and device performance. You earn points every day, which you can redeem for gift cards. So there you have it, our top picks for best passive income apps 24. Remember, while these apps are a great way to start earning passive income, they're not a substitute for a full-time income. Try out the ones that suit your lifestyle and let us know in the comments which app you're excited to try. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos on making money, finance tips, and the latest app reviews. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.